In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print checks QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through creating a check in QuickBooks Online and getting it to print cleanly on your check stock with clear tips so everything lines up right the first time. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online company and head to the main dashboard. Start by creating the check you want to print. Click the plus new button, then choose check. At the top, select the bank account the funds will come from. This ensures the check reduces the correct balance and shows up in the right register. Next, fill in the details of the check. Enter the payee, which can be a vendor, employee, or other payee you've set up. Choose the date you want on the physical check. In the details section, use category if you're recording an expense to an account like utilities or office supplies, or use item details if you track products and services and want quantities and rates. Add a description if it helps you or your bookkeeper understand the purpose later. Then enter the amount. Double check it for accuracy. If you track billable expenses or classes and locations, you can add those as needed so your reporting stays clean. When everything looks right, select Save and Print. This saves the transaction and moves you toward the print flow without closing your work. Now you're ready to print. Click Print Check to open the print window. Before you send it to the printer, load your check stock into the correct tray. Make sure you know which side your printer prints on. Many printers need the check face down with the top edge leading, but check your model's guidance. If you use voucher checks with stubs, confirm the layout matches what QuickBooks expects. In the print dialog, verify the correct printer is selected and set the scale to 100% or actual size. Avoid fit to page, which can shift alignment. If QuickBooks offers a preview or alignment option, use it to confirm that the payee name, amount in numbers, and amount in words fit within the check fields. A quick test on plain paper held against your check stock can help confirm placement without wasting a check. When everything looks good, click Print. If the alignment is off, adjust your printer settings or alignment in QuickBooks and try again with a plain paper test. Once your check prints cleanly, you're done. That's the full process. Create the check, save and print, load your check stock and print. Follow these steps each time, and your checks in QuickBooks Online will be accurate, professional, and ready to mail.